Watch me get rid of this energy waster with a snap of a finger. Hey guys, welcome to another one of my videos. I showed you in the past how to install fluorescent lights, and that video ended up to be quite successful despite all of the snarky comments about using old technology. So this time I'll be installing some brand new LED lights in my utility room or my laundry room. The reviews were amazing on Amazon, so I had to try these out myself. They are by AntLux, and I'll have a link down in the description below so you can check them out as well. Let's get into installing some LED lights. First we'll get into the installation, and then I'll break down what type of light this actually is and its benefits later on. What's cool about this is, if you can see right here, you can see this ring of holes. This will actually work with your current junction box that you have in the ceiling. If you don't have something in the ceiling or you want to move it a little bit, there's additionally all these other little holes throughout this whole thing, so you can kind of slide it over if you'd like. Let's see which one works for us. Either way though, you'll need to punch out this knockout hole here so you can get the wires through. There's multiple knockout punches depending on where you're going to locate your light as well. Okay, so why did I go with this specific light besides just the great reviews? This light is an efficient LED light that outputs 6600 lumens at only 60 watts, which is perfect for a utility laundry room, kitchen, workshop, garage, and so many other places that need a lot of bright light. This company claims that these lights don't flicker, which is kind of rare for LED lights anyways, and now that I've installed it, I don't see any flickering. So this whole project came out great, the utility room looks great, and I have a second set, so I'll be installing that in my workshop, and you'll be able to see it in action on some of my future woodworking projects. Speaking of future projects, remember to hit that subscribe button so you'll be able to catch some of my future DIY project videos that can help you save money. This product will be linked down in the description below. I do have quite a few other light projects coming up. Y'all have been loving the ones I've been putting out, so there's more to come. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.